Hi, this is Kristen from Art Saves the Day, and today we're going to draw this optical illusion tornado swirl. Today you will need paper, ruler, scissors, a pencil, an eraser, and a dark marker. First, you're going to want to turn your paper into a square. If you're using computer paper, that means that it's 8.5 by 11 inches. So you will measure and mark 2.5 inches from one edge 2 times, and then connect those dots with a straight line, and then trim down the line to make a square. With your pencil, we're going to draw a curved line, beginning at the top left corner. This line curves down and to the right, swoops down, and then back up into a little loop. Rotate your paper and use your muscle memory to draw that line again. Curve down to the right, swoop straight down, and then back up to make a loop. On the right side, just above your right loop, we're going to make an arched line that goes up and to the left and ends down by the left loop. You're going to make 4 more lines that kind of follow this curve and end down closer to that loop. Space the lines out a little more at the top and make them get skinny as they get down towards the bottom. Rotate your paper and repeat. Beginning on the right, just above where that loop starts, arch up and down to the left loop, and then add 4 more curved lines, each one starting a little wider at the top, curving around, and then tapering in towards the bottom. Starting just above the left loop, we're going to make a line that curves around to the left, goes up and follows the curve, almost to the edge of the paper, loops around and ends just about at the height of that left loop. Rotate your paper and do your best to repeat this line, starting at the top of the left loop, curving around and following that bottom curve up, almost to the edge of the paper, and back around to the height of your left loop. Repeat this line 2 more times within this space. I decided that I want to adjust this little line right here and make it curve down just a bit more, because even the teacher makes mistakes. Fill in this space with 4 more lines that curve out and around. As you get to the halfway point, you're going to start curving your lines slightly up. Repeat on the right side, adding 4 more lines that curve and switch directions as they get closer to the bottom. I decided to use my ruler and add a border around the edges. This is optional, but when you color everything in, it's going to make your piece look nice and clean. And now to color. Begin in this top left corner section and color in with a dark marker of your choice, and then color every other section, working your way around this entire piece. Once I've finished coloring, I'm coming back in with my finer point side of the marker, and I'm just cleaning up all of my edges, making sure they're nice and sharp. If you added a border, now is a good time to go and outline that border edge with your ruler. And then with an eraser, carefully erase all of your pencil marks. How did yours turn out? Please feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know how this video worked for you. Also, if you found this even a tiny bit helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, Art Saves the Day, for more art lessons for all ages.